Hi everybody, this is Duncan. It's great to have you here. So today it's really important what the number one asset to build for yourself. Nobody else, just you. Okay? I didn't cotton onto this for a little while when I first started, but my mentor or mentors have always stressed this point. Okay? So just remember, problem is online is there's a lot of platforms and you might have an account for Facebook, right? And a business account with them. So you got a business page, but if you step out of line, they can shut it down or suspend it. Now, if you're running ads, Facebook ads, and you say the wrong thing or they've got a strict guideline, they can suspend that. So what you want to do is you want to build your own asset. Okay, now stick with me because I'm going to reveal what I'm actually using as the tool that I'm using to build this number one asset online. So basically it's email. Okay, you're constantly building your email list. After weeks, months and years, you build up a great big fat list. Okay, and then what you do is you help people like I'm helping you guys here. You send them information that expands their learning and skills, and you just keep helping people. Okay, and then say for example tools that you're using online for your business, you can just refer the people to, and then you get a referral fee. So that's how it works with email marketing. It's basically helped start the internet. There was two main guys that started, say they first started the email, but that's up for debate. That's another story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal the actual link for you to use for email. Now just think about it. If you've got an email list, you can send people to your Twitter, your Facebook account. You can send people by sending them links to these accounts, and then you can have tools that you're using. I send people to my YouTube channels. Okay, so it's a great tool to keep increasing. It's like a circle increasing. You're sending people to your platforms that you're using, and then they're going to your email list, jumping on, signing up, and you can keep going like that, and it's circular, and you get expanding your business. It's all about scaling at the end of the day. And when you're getting into bigger scales and you're earning, your income level jumps up. Okay, so roughly every email you send for a lot of people is $1. But if you're smart, you can make $3 to $4 for every email you send. Okay, so without further ado, click the link below. I've got the actual email tool that I'm using, guys, and it's really important that you start implementing this as soon as possible. Don't be shy. At first I was. You can also research about ways to get cash flow from your email. So I hope this helped, guys, and if I really appreciate seeing you here. So tab the subscribe, tab the like button, and make a comment about me helping you out. This is Duncan. See you later. Bye.